Hello DS, see here. My boys stick the emojis here. Now I am going to clean it. I am taking the scrubber and this was with water. Copy what I am doing, okay? Keep on this mixture, then use it. We need a cloth also. You can see here it giving the perfect result. It's erasing the background. Now we can use the cloth. After using it, just wash down the water, then again clean the background. Now our wall is perfect, I hope. So we can draw something, then paint it. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. I have drawn these flowers, how it looks. I hope everybody like it. Okay, now let's start to paint. Copy what I am doing, okay? And one more thing, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click notification icon too. Thank you. Hello guys, I hope it's perfect. I hope you also like it. Okay. Once more I am saying don't forget to subscribe my channel and motivate me through your comments. Okay. Don't forget it. See you all with another video. Bye bye.